Boston Engineering is a manufacturer of automotive filters, established in 1997 by managements who have experience in automotive filters for more than 40 years. Our goal is to manufacture the high-quality and up-to-standard automotive filters, which are value-worthy for consumers. With our determination to manufacture the high-quality filters, Boston Engineering has been growing continuously with expansion of exported markets in over 30 countries around the world. At the present time, Boston Engineering has 2 manufactories with total area of 20,000 square meters, including offices and big plants with manufacturing capacity up to 9 million units per year. Boston Engineering provides over 1,000 items in the following 6 main categories: oil filter, air filter, fuel filter, cabin air filter, hydraulic oil filter, industrial filter, which cover usage in passenger car filters, truck filters, industrial machine filters, agricultural machine filters, marine filters, motorcycle filters. As a manufacturer, Boston Engineering sets our high standard with a modern manufacturing system, along with quality control of every step and every part. Manufacturing steps begin with Boston Engineering has an engineering team who is specialist in designing and molding. Metal past forming process. Filter media part production process. Rubber part production process. Plastic injection production process. Assembly process. Oil filter. Eco oil filter. Fuel filter, air filter, cabin air filter, leak testing process. Boston Engineering has been also emphasized in quality control of manufacturing process, which is performed in every step from raw material process to distribution process. We have chosen the high quality and standard raw material from the same manufacturer who provides its products to one of the world-class automotive companies. This is to ensure customers that every single product from our company meets its high standard. We also keep improving and developing the quality of our products to be in line with new technologies. We have been very proud to deliver customers our high-quality filters, guaranteed with ISO 9001 and the upcoming IATF 16949. With our vision in environmental care, we have been awarded the Green Industrial Certificate and CSR Certificate. We promise to continue developing our manufacturing standard, products quality, and maintaining the best quality with affordable price for everyone. Our great objective is to deliver the best things to our customers by happiness, smile, and sincerity from everyone in our company. The ultimate automotive filter. Boston Engineering.